guys. Today, we're going to be working on the Breakout game for the Game Boy Advance, and hopefully today I can try to get the ball moving. I think that'd be really cool. And then get collision working, and after that, just make it kind of fun, kind of weird and wacky, where you could change any variable possible, which I think would be kind of fun. Let us get started. We were here, where there's the ball, and here's the paddle. Okay. Okay, going into compile here. I never had a GameCube. Oh, the GameCube is kind of cool. You're able to play Game Boy Advance games and stuff on it. There. So I know that was kind of cool. Cool. Okay. So today we're gonna make the ball move around, and I don't know why I'm so stuck on this, but we're going to figure it out. So I have here a document from the Axe parser, which is a programming language for the TI-84 Plus. This thing. And do I have the Axe parser on it? I do have the Axe compiler on it. And this has the Axe compiler. And unrelated, I want to make a game for this later on, but the example program in the document that comes with the Axe parser is Pong, and that's kind of what I want to do. Is I want to move the block around. So let's look through. It's pretty self-explanatory how this works, but you know. So score D is Y speed, V is X speed. So we're going to take a look, we're going to keep track of the D and V speed and how it relates to the ball Y and the ball X times 256. The ball's X position will be inflated for more precision. So I think what this is doing here is if you stored 44 in X in this compiler, it would actually be, one moment. There we go. I'm sorry, I just had to bring out my drawing tablet just in case I need it. What would actually end up happening is X would be a char. This essentially makes it a short, so you can have more precision for the X position. I don't know why they want to have more precision for the X. Interesting. Set up with the main loop. If the program always also take care of all key presses, repeat get key. Sub HT hit. HT will call subtune when the ball hits the pedal and sets the new speed. Okay, this is good. And remember, yeah, speed is the speed. D and V. That relates to X and Y. And see if Z, the paddle X, influences it all. If get key equals 2 and Z equals Z not equals 0, Z minus 2 equals Z. Z is the paddle X. So what it's saying, and I know I'm talking about the calculator right now, but not the Game Boy, but don't worry about it. Keys 1, 2, 3, 4 in X refer to these keys. It's probably just like a lookup table. Don't worry about it. That's what they do. So it's seeing if you're hitting left or right. You minus 2, add 2, and you might ask, why am I doing 2 instead of 1? Well, it's because, well, I don't know. So Z equals 0 and score not equal 88. Oh, that's the X and Y to make sure that that's the X and X. That's to make sure that you're not hitting the you're not running into the size of the calculator, because remember the calculator is actually 0 to, it's 96 pixels wide, so it's 0 to 95 is what you're going to be doing. Cool. Okay, so that's just to move the paddle, and we can probably take some lessons on this too. And I think if we look at my code, this is my main code. My main code is just to see if you go left or right. Yeah. Now we update the new position of the ball. X plus V is stored to X. Y plus D is stored to Y. Now if we look up, D is Y speed. D starts out as -1. V is X speed. V doesn't get set. That's strange. Sorry. V does get set, but it's set by the sub. And because these variables I think are global, when you go down here to the hit, rand, you create, I don't know, rand is stored to V, which is the Y speed, and D is your Y speed, so it's negated, so you change the direction. So basically, figure out where the bar is, update the new position of the ball. So let's do that. Let's do here. Okay. Update position of the ball. And then let us initialize ball speed variables, ball speed hit. Initialize ball speed variables. Okay. We can do that. Sub HT. HT is called when the ball hits the new paddle, so it's a new speed. So 10 is Y. I think it's starting out, the ball is starting out on the paddle. Update new position. So then here's a collision detection. Bounce if you hit a wall or the paddle and change the speed. Quit if the ball goes off the screen. Quit when reaching the edge. So quit when, so I don't need to do this. But I do need to do this. So if y equals 0, being the top of the screen, okay. So then I need to do collision detection of ball, bounce. So invert balls y speed if ball dot y equals screen height. Okay. I can do that. If the paddle and ball are close enough, bounce and increase the score. And okay, I gotcha. Bounce ball from paddle. Update position. My God. Bounce, right. Ball. Okay. If ball dot y and ball dot x close enough to paddle, bounce ball. You know, bounce, and we'll get to that. And then if ball dot x hits walls, bounce on x. And if we look here, this the divide by 256, don't worry about that. That's just precision stuff for the TI-84 Plus. And then you draw. So it looks like Axe doesn't have stack. That's kind of interesting. PT on there, PT on, yeah. We're done with the loops, add a quick code. We'll declare home, display string 2 in decimal. Basically, okay. So, cool. I think, and then of course, the bounce is V and D. D is Y speed and V is X speed. Bounce ball reverse ball.y speed randomize ball.x speed. Now, how do you so bounce is actually vertical bounce. It's vert bounce and horizontal bounce. Bounce ball Y. Bounce ball X. Reverse ball X speed. Randomize. Cool. Cool. Bounce Y. Initialize ball speed variables. Int ball speed X equals mod. I don't know. Let's do 3 ball speed Y equals so that way this ball will always start going down. Hmm. We're just gonna go with Rand right now. Cool. Y speed, X speed. Okay. Bounce ball from paddle. Bounce ball Y. Okay, and if we go to bounce ball Y, ball dot Y equals negative. Once we break it all down into function, yo, Des, what's up? What, if you missed it, Des, did you get a haircut? Yeah, I did get a haircut, bro. It was rough. Bro, I went to like a stylist right in town, and dude, they offered me wine while I was waiting to get my haircut. Like, no, I need to just get my haircut. But no, she was wonderful. She like gelled it. I mean, it looks. I thought it looked sick, but you know, whatever. A man doesn't have an opinion. I don't care. I think I'm gonna get some gel at some point because I like the look of it. I like the old like 80s sort of style. Of like slick back. Like, I like the way it looks. You know. Anyway, yeah. Yes, but as we're getting into it, I am actually wrong one. I am using this game sort of as an excuse to jump into the TI-84 Plus language of Axe, because Axe actually, the documentation actually has an example program that is Pong, and I'm sort of using some of the program flow for ideas for that for what I'm doing, and that's what I'm doing. So right now, what we're trying to do is try to get the ball moving. Then we can worry about the bouncing off bricks. Randomize ball X speed. Ball plus dot. No, sorry. We're gonna get some chocolate milk and some chips, dude. You know what? That sounds like a great idea. I'm gonna go do that too, except not chocolate milk and chips. I'm gonna go get something like some water or something. I'll be back. back. That was a bit. Hi back. I was playing CS, but I had like 7 people today. Dude, you are too good. Oh, okay. Anyway. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take these. Thank you very much. We're going to. Yo, Restrom, what's up? Why the randomized? Because they're randomized because if I don't randomize them, then if you're it'll just be locked completely. So like whatever angle you hit, it'll constantly be that +3, -3, +3, -3. So you need to randomize it somewhat, or else it's just going to be a pain. Now I know the correct way to do this is to not randomize it. You're supposed to calculate what angle did you come in on the paddle. Yo, man. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. Just real quick, how do I pass... do I just pass pointers like this? Ball speed X, ball speed Y. I think that's right. And then when I come up here, I want like the pointer, so I'll do like the ball speed Y equals minus ball speed Y. I don't know, bro, look, you gotta be real careful when you say, I don't know, try it, because remember, this game, you're going to be, if it's not game-breaking bug, then you're gonna keep it. You're gonna finish the emo today? I don't know. I'm gonna really fucking try. But we shall see. Oh, come on, Des. That's why you're saying that? So what this is saying is to do... You know what, actually... So what, it's rand mod 6, because you could go left or right, -3. So what basically I'm going to be doing is this. See? You get it? So rand -6, -3. So I need to do this down here. So I will see, am I moving left, am I moving right? And then bounce is just reverse ball X. So I think Cool. So we got the ball speed variables, bounce ball from paddle. The canvas all blurry. Look, I know it is, and I'm very sorry to say I'm kind of targeted on this one. I don't know how to fix that. It's like autofocus. I don't know why it autofocuses. Trying to see all his pores. Lol. Anyway. Now I need to update the position of the ball. So basically what this is ball.post.x plus equals ball speed x, and I think it's y. What t? And let's fix it. I know it's gonna happen sometimes. I don't understand why. Yeah, you just add the speeds to it. Let's see if it does anything. This is each. You know what I didn't account for though? Is a delay. Your programmers never write unit tests and keep bugs in the code. You're correct. So also, I realized I don't need the clear screen. Like the clear screen that takes so long that I have to do that crazy memory set thing. I don't need to clear it because it's all on or off. If you've broken the block, you've broken the block. So all you have to do is just not draw it, right? So, and if it was there and then it's not, you just draw it black once to erase. So you just, instead of clearing the screen, I just erase the ball, redraw the ball, erase the redraw the ball. And if you move the paddles, erase the paddle, redraw the paddle, erase the paddle, redraw the paddle. Other than that, you're fine. You don't have to do all this memory clear and redraw. So it could be really fast and a whole lot simpler. Epic's games. Oh goddamn, dude! I don't play many AAA games, so I can't I'm not in on the AAA gaming experience. But I've heard horror stories, and it's sad. Let's see if this even works. Cool. So, Despis, know how I said I don't need to clear the screen? The screen is cleared only when I move the paddle. Desp, is this game breaking? That's not really game breaking. Well, it's gonna be game breaking. You know what? You know what, Desp? I'm gonna... Well, that means what I just talked about I have to keep in. Is this a bug, or is this just like bad code at this point? Where is the... Here. So basically what I have to do now is I have to at least have one. Bugs are bad code. Where do we draw the line? I think we're getting somewhere, yes. I think we're getting somewhere. Yo, I'm gonna go work out. Are you gonna stream tomorrow? Harissa, you gonna go work out right now? It's fucking midnight. What are you talking about? Some packs are features, yeah, Jack. Okay. I'm gonna keep it in. Am I gonna stream tomorrow, Harissa? I think so. I am. Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. If ball.post.y greater than or equal to screen height, bounce ball x it's not really game breaking, but it's still clear, I guess. If ball y and ball x are close enough to paddle, if I'm just doing the easy stuff right now. Okay, so this should bounce around the screen. I hate placebo code? What is placebo code? Is placebo code just like code you think does something? Ball dot post dot y less than or equal to paddle dot post dot y plus paddle dot post dot height. Okay, we're doing that. And ball.post.x is less than or equal to paddle.post.x plus paddle.post.width and ball.post.x is greater than or equal to I think this will work right. Bounce ball Y. Let's try making it. Oh! 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 Oh, Lord. Oh, help. I don't know. Oh, help. Oh, God. What is the last one for? Dude's got it. What are you talking about? I'm sorry, are you talking about the last and? Or the last if statement down here? I'm not sure what you mean. Last and. Okay, so basically, I want to see if the ball hits the paddle. So, is the ball's Y position less than, so higher up, is it less than or equal to the paddle's position.y plus its height? So is it higher than than the part facing the bottom? And is the ball's x position, is it less than or equal to, the paddle's maximum width? And if it's greater than or equal to the left side of the paddle. So that's what that is. Is it within the boundings of both sides of the paddle? This is like so trash. I don't even know what's happening, but I mean, like I look, I hit. Oh, you know why it's not working? It's not working really nice because what was it? Key repeat. The count before the key starts to repeat. So let's try this like 25. I just want it to be playable now. There. Okay. Because if I hit it, ideally, that's so cool. Ideally, it should probably not have like a delay. But I'm sure if I have this, it's gonna just be, yeah, it's just gonna be trash. So let me just try 10. There. And remember, it doesn't work because you have to like do that. You should make the ball go a slight bit slower. But remember, the ball is random. It'll speed up, it'll slow down. See how it's slow? And then it's going faster. The speed is what creates the angle. The speed of the, I'm just trying to make it real cheap and easy for me. It's the speed. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, so blurry. Dude, I don't know. Why is it? It got randomly freezes. Yeah, that's just kind of fun, but is it game breaking? Probably. Okay, now we're going to do the, we're going to try to break the bricks here. Okay, I'm going to break some bricks. And I'm going to crack open some of these wonderful Vienna sausages because I'm starving and they were in the cupboard. Okay. I know Despy helped me out with this last week. And now I'm just completely lost. I'm trying to remember what to do. Imagine you have an array, call it top Y, where the element represents the Y coordinate at the top of the block. No, I have. I shut down everything. We were out of the house. I just have this, it auto saves. The horizontal X position of a block isn't stored in the array. Instead, it's determined by the index multiplied by the block's width. Okay. Okay. So what I need to do is check ball Y position to see if it's a brick. The horizontal X position of the block isn't stored in the array. X equals I times block width plus any. Right, so. No, what the hell is I? What? X equals I times block width. What? So for block I, its X range is X equals I times block width. I'm sorry, just what is going on with me? Why am I so, why is this so hard for me to understand? Yeah, I made that. No, I know. When you have a ball or paddle moving around, you must check to see its current position overlaps on these blocks. You already have overflow logic. For slight collisions, I don't care. You know what? For int I equals 0, I less than block number plus I. If blocks I dot destroyed equals 0. Continue. So if it is destroyed, just continue. That's fine. If ball dot post dot y plus ball dot post dot height equals or greater than equal to blocks dot post dot y Honestly, I should pour this to my game engine. Well, when it's functional, I can hook onto anything in the game in runtime. But I really want to see what you're making because it sounds really cool. One moment, let me grab a fork. Okay, I'm back. Jeez. I can literally export, take states and shit and import them later. That's so cool. I wish I was smart like that. Vienna sausage is so good, so bad. I can also export all ticks, but slow shit down a lot and uses a vector memory. I wish I understood half what you're talking about. I get the general gist, but like, bro, I'm working on C. Okay. If it's equal to instead of just and, let's do if ball dot post dot y is less than or equal to blocks I dot post dot y plus blocks I dot post dot height Did you know in JavaScript you can store memory pointers to objects inside classes? Like, JavaScript is insane. But you already know that. I'm just trying to make this as shit as painless as possible. Here's memory pointers. I'm not really sure how memory pointers work in JavaScript. If post.x plus post.width is greater than or equal to blocks post.x, if ball.post.x is less than or equal to x plus post.width. Okay, here we go. Hit brick. Block I dot stood equals 1. JavaScript is run. Everything is a pointer actually, unless you make a clone of something by reading the keys and values. We do use JavaScript for like the script verifier, and you have to use triple equal sign to like explicitly equate something. It's a pain in the ass. I know what you mean. Let's make it. I'm sure this is absolutely garbage, by the way. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Look at this. This done? So basically, oh my god. Oh my, I made this. I fucking made this. Do you see this shit? With like literally no fucking gaming experience, like game programming experience, and like no Game Boy Advance experience, as you can tell by the alpha code, I fucking made this. It's fucking Breakout. We're gonna ignore whatever happened there. So like, how do I... I like how like it just bounces back sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna push this. I'm gonna call this working. And I'm gonna just push it. And then this is the bugged up version. Then what I'm gonna do is we'll talk about it afterward. This is amazing. The guy that joined said he would make an ad for the buggy version, like to play it. Oh, that's sick. Okay, let me GitHub. How do I do this, folks? Like, do I do new? Um, here. Um, bug breakout. Create repository. Create repository from. So let's. I'm in game source. Yeah. Okay. So echo. Breakout. Yeah, sounds about right. Get init. Get commit. First commit. Get branch main. I think I'm gonna master. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it master because I hate that stupid. Why? Well, thank you, Anthony. I hate the stupid like, oh, you can't call it master slave because slaves are bad and we don't want to be racist. Well, you know what? My defense is, look, politics aside, you know where the word slave comes from? It comes from the word Slav. And you know what I am? I'm Slavic. So fuck you. My privilege is better. Anyway, get remote add origin. I'm just going to copy this link so I don't screw it up. Get push u origin master. Get push set upstream origin master. You know what? It won't even do that. Wait, what? Branch main, okay. What the hell? My god. Get first push fail to push some refs. Yeah. What? Okay, I'm sorry, folks. What is going on? Yeah. I'll change the name. I can change the name later. There we go. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. My God. Watch me fail. I don't remember my password. What if I just create a code space here? And I went here. You can't type, you have to use developer token. Well, that's the thing. My developer token, I could have sworn like I had everything. Like, I don't understand. I thought I had that all set up. Like, I have Logic Sim. Okay, cool. It's not that hard to do, Lamel. But you can't do that shit on stream. Yeah, I know. I can't do that shit on stream. That's unfortunate. Because token leak. Yeah, exactly. I don't want to do that. How do I... How do I, like... What? Am I... Is it pushed? How do I push? Is it pushed? I am... You know what? I'm failing miserably. Let's do that. No, actually... Cool. I'm just uploading it like that. Cool. There you go. There's the here's the GitHub link. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, it works. This is it. Oh crap. Oh. What should I do now? Should I just make it like, should I make this real? Or should I... What should I do? Should I make this real or should I add the variable thing in? I'm gonna see what it takes to do what it takes to do why not? Oh, like why not what? Like make it real to the variable thing. Add a settings menu. Yeah, let's try. Let's try. Let's try settings menu. Template. Okay, let's just try. I don't know what the console demo init means. Let's just try printing stuff to this screen. There. I don't think that worked. So the problem I'm running into here is because I'm overwriting the screen. You know what? Let's try that. Let's try else if keys and key start how do I sleep? Let's try that. And then if I look really quickly, MGBA keystrokes. Select its backspace. It's enter. That's start. SCD-lib, okay. Wait, what? Yeah, you were key start. Oh, okay. Oh, I did. So why is sleep not working? You sleep, just hold the key. Oh God, really? Well, okay, you're right. I'm holding. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna have a continue. So I skip everything. Jeez. I'm pressing enter and backspace and it's not working. Man. So when I hit enter, it's slowing down. When I hit the backspace, nothing's happening. So something's happening. Why is... Wait, I'm so confused. Should they continue the while loop and skip all this garbage? Oh, of course. There's no sleep. Why is there no sleep? What is going on? You know what? It's this. This is what it is. The thing is, I can't see what the code is because it's part of the library. Um, I feel like come on, I gotta figure this out. Console demo initialize. Here we go. Mat base. Let's see. Initialize the console. Selecting. Can I? Sit mode 0. Can I just go here? Yeah, can I just go here? Go here. Just do that. And then next time around, just do this. Oh my god, look at that. I don't know what's going on, but it's working. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay. So like, this is interesting. I'm several lost for words here. This is very interesting. I think I'll have to end the stream now, regather my thoughts, and then move forward. Doing something like moving forward, because I'm actually pretty excited here. It's done. I just need to add. So okay, so next stream we're gonna add the menu, and we're gonna add the menu next. I think it'd be pretty cool. Yeah. Well, that's awesome. Yeah. Okay, Des. Well, I'm headed off. I got more code to do tomorrow anyway. I got more work to do tomorrow too. What do I like more? Breakout or Arkanoid? Well, you see, both of you to assume what Arkanoid is. Dude got off when I got back. No, I'm here. Interesting. Huh. Interesting. I like Breakout. It's pretty classic. Desk, check this out. So we got this, right? We got this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's working. Kind of. Don't worry about everything else, but it's working. Do you get enough when I go back? What were you coding? Yeah, Ethan Richard. I'm coding Breakout on the Game Boy Advance. But the rub here is that it is the most garbage version. It's using bitmap mode. It's not using sprite sheets. And every non-game breaking bug that's in the code has to stay in the code. That's why it looks so terrible. And yeah, like, I have it working. Like, it's technically, well, it's technically working. Like, yeah, it doesn't work great, but it's technically working. And I made this in, I think, like, what, 3 streams? I think I made it. And yeah, it just goes to show that if you, like, actually go in and you try to code something, like, you will come out with something working. And this is a working, somewhat working Breakout game written for the Game Boy Advance. In C, and I've had no prior experience. Yeah, like that's said, 4 hours at most. And I'm sure if you actually knew what you were doing and you weren't trying to be all garbage at it, you do it a lot better too. You do it a lot better than this. And you'd probably do it faster. If I had to do this again, it would be much faster. Well, thanks, Ethan. Yeah, I think it looks impressive. I mean, like the reason the paddles at the top is because of a bug and that sort of thing. So you just said work around it. Thanks. I hope it goes well. Yeah, I hope it does too. I'll definitely stream again. Trying to add in the settings menu. Desp had a really good suggestion of there should be a settings menu where you can't change the setting of every single variable in the game on the fly, which, like, block size, block width, speed, like, I think that'd be kind of fun. Yeah. Whew, okay, well, I'll get to wrapping up other work, and I will see you again soon. Yeah. See you guys. Good night.